Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can see pending Robux. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Roblox. Open the official website and make sure to log in using your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page where all of the games will be present. You can see that there is a Robux icon right next to your profile icon at top right corner of your screen. Click on it and then select My Transactions. Here, under the Incoming Robux tab, you will see the Pending Robux section. And that's how you can see pending Robux. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.